What's this? Bug. Bug has maybe has many legs and small. Bug. What's this? Dog. Dog has long ears and soft to bite. Dog. What's this? Berry. Berry. Good to eat. Berry. What's this? Moon. Moon is in the sky at night. Moon. What's this? Horse. Horse with fun to ride on the packer. This a round horse. What's this? Pen. Pen we write on the paper. This a pen. What's this? Shoes. Shoes we go in the feet. This a shoes. What's this? House. House we live in the house. Has many windows and doors. House. What's this? Pig. Pig has big nose and pig. Pig. What's this? Trees. Trees has many green leaves and toes. Trees.